Hey, what's up guys? It's Flex and welcome back. As you guys know, I've already done a lot of modifications to the back of this W205 C-Class. I installed a carbon fiber spoiler, I installed an AMG style diffuser, I installed some black quad tips, and I installed some vent trims on the sporty rear bumper. But I feel like I need to do a little more to enhance the rear, so I've decided to debadge the C300 emblem and the 4MATIC emblem and replace the center star with a gloss black star. And to be honest, the process is really easy if you haven't done this already for your car. So first, I'm going to use a heat gun just to slightly heat up the double-sided tape behind the emblem. Now I'm going to use some fishing string to saw away at the double-sided tape behind the emblem. Next, I'm going to use my drill with a rubber eraser wheel to pull off all the excess double-sided tape. Once that's done, I'm going to use some Goo Gone just to remove any leftover double-sided tape. And lastly, I'm going to use some isopropyl alcohol to wipe away all the dirt, debris, and Goo Gone. And now I'm just going to repeat the same process for the 4MATIC emblem. So now we're going to look at replacing the center star on the trunk. The proper way of removing it is actually to remove all the inner lining of the trunk and pushing the star out. But I also have a cheat method using some fishing string that I've done on a previous W204 C300. I have a video on that. But since I don't really care about the quality of this star, I'm going to use some pry tools just to pry it right off. So here I'm using some pry tools to pry away at the spokes of the star. I did break the top of the star, but again, I really don't care about the star. I'm just going to throw it away. So I'm just going to keep prying to pull off the star. So it looks like I removed some of the little grommets that was inside the holes. I'm going to transfer those back before I install the new star. So here's a nice gloss black star. I'm just going to push it on and that will do it. So there, as you can see, it looks a lot better, a lot cleaner, and the whole rear of the car just looks so much better. Well, I hope you guys liked the video. If you do, hit like below. As always, make sure you subscribe, and I will see you next time.